Hi, welcome to the Handpower Web Development with PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be looking at how to install the PHP environment and the needed tools for this tutorial. We will also be looking at the following points: the PHP syntax, variables and data types in PHP, the conditional statement flows in PHP, how to write loops in PHP, the arrays and functions in PHP, also how to send forms from our web pages in PHP, and lastly, we will learn PHP and MySQL in this tutorial. Let's dive in. To set up our system for PHP development, we would need the following tools: a web browser, a text editor, and a local server. For the purpose of this tutorial, the choice of text editor would be Sublime Text. You can download Sublime Text by following the link below. Also, the choice of local server would be XAMPP, and the link to download XAMPP is as seen on the screen. To download our text editor, once you open the link on your web browser, click on your system platform. I'm on Windows, so I'll be downloading the Windows installer. Once your download is complete, launch the installer. Click on Next. You can decide to add it to your Explorer menu. Then click on Next. Then finally, you can click on the Install button. But because I already have Sublime Text installed on my system, I won't have to click on the Install button. But you can click on the Install button and join us as we continue with the course.